This fully automatic folding carton machine is a high-speed and efficient carton/carton forming equipment. It achieves fully automated operation through a precise folding mechanism and intelligent control system. This machine can quickly complete the folding and forming of dozens to hundreds of boxes per minute, greatly improving production efficiency. It also has functions such as automatic feeding and discharging, ensuring the continuity and stability of the entire process. It is widely used in packaging production in food, daily chemical, and other industries.